Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into BNB, just do a follow-up video. We've done a few videos on BNB and all targets have been met. Just to full clarification, all the targets that were laid down in BNB have been met, okay, all our price predictions. We do have a very exuberant price prediction, but at the moment, you're looking at it now, it's not that exuberant. When we did make the price prediction in one of our first ever videos for BNB, it did seem a little bit exuberant at the time. It was probably a little bit overextended, but you know what? Blow it. It's looking healthy. It's looking like it may potentially get there. It's looking a bit parabolic at the moment. Okay, so before I begin, obviously I just want to say thank you for all the comments and everything we receive across this channel and the continued support that we receive in the Telegram group there from the great team and CoinsKid that we're building, and obviously your appreciation of this content with the likes and the shares and the comments. So it's all good. So Binance Coin BNB is, we've already gone down this road. We've already spoken about this numerous times, how good this project is, okay? And you can see the bullish cross on the daily time frame here, way back on the 14th of December, was a major signal to just buy and go to the beach, okay? So since that signal there, you've appreciated, since that bullish cross there, we've gone up a whopping 19x, basically. So we don't think it's going to stop there, okay? In this channel, with full transparency with you at all times, we've actually created that price prediction many weeks ago. I think a couple of months ago we made that price prediction, and at the time, you know, we were down here. We formed this sort of consolidation range down here, and we did outlay this particular price target here, which got met. And then when we hit this price target here, we consolidated and we gave this price target here, and that's been met. So we're looking golden. We're looking golden so far with every single target that we've laid down in this channel. So it's not financial advice, and you know, strange things that happen at sea, that it may roll over, it might not get to that target. I remember at the time, okay, technical analysis, sometimes I don't like to get too exuberant, but I was looking at it and thinking, you know what, actually that looks geared up to sort of get towards that target. So that's why we have that target, $2,017. Okay, I don't need to go into the technical analysis again of why we derived that target, but that is the target. So far so good. The MACD looks relatively healthy. The lines are going a bit high. Look at the RSI there, sitting in 83. So potentially you could see yourself push up to 96, which is the last time Binance appreciated and rolled over. So you could target that as a rollover event, okay? But one thing I do want to bring you to attention to right now, okay, is the fact that we have bolted. We have bolted for Binance Coin on the daily. It's starting to look a little bit unhealthy, okay? Starting to look, you can see a bit of a peak there, and a bit of selling pressures coming today, pushing it down. And you can see this particular price target. Someone asked me yesterday, where do you see Binance falling back to? Well, basically, when you have a price target like that, okay, it usually gets to it, and if it continues through it, it does usually fall back to it as support. And you can see it closed above, and it's opened on that, bang on our target, okay? Look how good that is. We made that target. Look at that. It's sat on it as support. We made that target. Check the video. We made that target down here. Okay, as it was breaching this high, as it was approaching this high, we laid down that target, and that was basically a Fibonacci extension. Look, bang on a Fibonacci extension. Do you see that? Okay, and that's how easy it is. Some people say, why do you use fibs and not trend lines and stuff like that? I do use trend lines, okay, but fibs give you a future price prediction, and 9 times out of 10, when you start going through all these levels, as you've targeted in previous videos, you've shown you the videos across the channel there, VeChain, Reef, all the videos that I cover, all the projects that I cover, you'll see me using a lot of fibs. Look how good that is, okay? Look how good that is. It's gone through, back tested, and fell on that particular target, the 1618 extension Fibonacci off this impulsive wave, corrective wave bottom, new impulsive wave, boom. Come on, can't get any better than that, can it? That's why you use fibs. So anyway, not blowing my own trumpet there, but that's target met. Fantastic trade. Beautiful. For anyone was involved, beautiful, okay? So these are the things we look at. I know when you go up and you start to form a bottom, and you go up and you start to come back and you're falling through and it looks like you're rolling over and it's awful, okay, as long as you're adhering to these levels of support, as long as you're making these high lows, this is what I tell everyone, as long as you're making these high lows in a recovery and you're starting to push on and march through these Fibonacci retracement levels, okay, you're golden. You're golden. Okay, like I said to you, when you get through the golden ratio like that, you're golden. So this is a fantastic trade for anybody in the Telegram group there that took this on from the earlier videos. I congratulate you. I take my hat off to you, because it was a whopper. Okay, and I do believe that we've potentially got more whopper trades coming, but right now we have got to exercise a little bit of caution. Okay, I'm always transparent with you in this channel. I always say exercise a level of caution, zoom out, be sensible. Right now you could potentially see Binance coin march on a little bit here, okay, and potentially get a bit further up. But one thing to keep an eye on is this RSI, okay, RSI level, because the last time you got really extended like that, okay, it was up there, and you can see when you got that vertical, you rolled over, and it was quite a correction. It was a very large correction indeed. You actually came back down a roughly 46% correction. So do be careful. Okay, I know we have got this target up there, okay, but that might not necessarily get met. Okay, roughly up there, that sort of area, in a previous technical analysis video that we've done on Binance coin. It doesn't mean it's necessarily going to go there. I know all these targets have been met, and it's brilliant so far, and we've got a crystal ball and all that sort of stuff, but I'm going to be completely transparent with you. You know, it could roll over, and you've always got to exercise caution. Okay, so it's looking good, but you do want to see it sort of slow down a bit and roll over and hit a level of consolidation, okay, just like it did here, but not this drastic. Look at this candle here, look at that, 1, 2, 3 daily candles, monstrous pump. So it was asking for that level of, that was 175% pump. Okay, since you took out this high here, you have actually gone up, but you've gone up quite nicely where you've sort of rolled over, consolidated. But this particular wave here is getting a little bit overextended, okay, because since that last level of consolidation, you've sort of gone up a whopping 73% for a large market cap. So for me, common sense, zooming out, it says you're looking to roll over. Now the rollover target at the moment, as you can see, is this price prediction. It falls back onto the previous sort of swing low, and that effectively is a swing low. At the moment, it is a swing low. You could potentially fall back through it. I'm always going to be transparent with you. And then the target would be, obviously, if you was to fall and lose this level, 5116, which is our price prediction of this Fibonacci extension, if you do start to see yourself roll over, okay, it would be healthy. It definitely be healthy. Don't panic and don't run for the hills. You would potentially roll over and bounce off this yellow line here, just like you did here. Look at that. Bounce off the yellow line there. And if you're not involved in Binance coin BNB, do think about getting involved on that retest of this 20 EMA on the daily time frame, okay? And that's why I'm zoomed out, because I always say, if in doubt, zoom out. When things are getting parabolic like that, always zoom out and look where the potential fallback levels are, and you can see in the entire move, when it goes up, falls back to the EMA, falls back to the EMA, consolidated, got through these fibs, beautiful, back testing the support, kept high lows, a nice trend line, kept it going. Did a little bit of a correction now. I do remember that correction actually, because it was looking good, and then Bitcoin corrected and dragged the market down with it, but it got supported. It didn't fall through the EMAs there, because again, like I said to you, if you start to fall through the daily EMA, okay, the 55 especially, then you are looking, you sort of roll over, and you're going to take the price with it, obviously, because you're taking the price with it, but you are looking to drag the EMAs over your shoulder as well, forcing you into that bearish cross there. But you know what, we're in a bull market, and I don't want to get too exuberant, but it's looking tasty. It's looking really tasty to get to that price target there, because that is literally a 4x right now. It's even less than that. From here to our initial price target that we laid down almost 8 weeks ago now, it's 244%, which is nothing, really, is it? When you think about what Binance coin has done already, it's in its own little bull market. Okay, it's absolutely bolted. So yeah, that's Binance coin, and I did lay down as well why I do. Some of the tokenomics were behind that, but it was also a bit of technical analysis as well. Well, majority was technical analysis, if you want to refer to that video. So it's so far so good. Okay, but you have got this high here. So as always, we'll give you a target. Okay, fully transparent with you on this channel. So at the moment, you've got that high. Okay. You may march on here, but I would expect some form of rollover soon. And personally, you know, like I've said to you, you potentially get to that target. It's golden, but you always never assume you could roll over at any point. And if you was to roll over, then you do need a level of support. And right now, you've got this previous high, okay, which was the previous level, the 1618 on the Fibonacci, okay. It can fall back to that support and bounce off it. So do target that if it was to roll over, okay. If it loses that, then do target the yellow line, okay, as a level of support. If it holds, it's golden, because what you'll do, you start to form a pattern just like this, where we'll bring out the fibs from the top to the bottom when it finds its base, and we can start to target the fibs again, okay, and the march through, and you can trade all these events, like you can long there, short there, long there, short there. They're all tradable events within the consolidation range there, and I will drop these into the channel to you. But so far, so good. I'm really pleased with the way it's gone for Binance Coin, and anyone that's involved, anybody that was buying down here on this bullish cross, okay, on the daily time frame there, the buy and go to the beach signal, you've done really, really well. You've done really, really well. Now, please don't take anything I say as financial advice. I don't want you to think that I've got a crystal ball, and because these targets, full disclaimer here, okay? I'm never going to feed you any bullshit. I'm always going to tell you the truth, okay? Just because I've met these targets, just because I've done a little bit of technical analysis and these targets have been met, and yeah, it's great. Oh wow, he's got a crystal ball, he's amazing. Doesn't mean that that's 100% going to get met, okay? So do trade with caution. Please do take care. But so far, so good. And everyone that's in the Telegram group there that took on the trade, congratulations. It's golden. Brilliant. Keep marching on Binance Coin, because you'll make us all millionaires. Do take care, everyone. I'll see you soon. I've given you the support levels there. And obviously, if you was to roll over here. At the minute, I don't want to give a future price prediction other than this one here, the high, because it does need to cool down, okay? And if it does cool down and starts to roll over, it could be above this high here. But just start to roll over and go sideways. From that, we can derive a bottom and a retracement. You see that? We can drop the fibs in and then show you potential 1618 extension there again moving forward. So I can't believe, honestly, I can't believe that Binance is literally like a 4x away from that high there when I was making it down there. I'm gobsmacked, to be honest with you. It's good. It's all good. It's all good. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. See you soon.